Hi everyone, I'm Sonia. I'm a psychologist and a therapist. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic, how you can save your marriage. Number one, either it's a love marriage or you fall in love after marriage. But one thing that every young couple need to know is that love is not equal to marriage. These both things are completely separate altogether. Okay, so this is very controversial. I don't mean that you be in an institution of marriage without love. Love is an important ingredient, of course, but it is not the only ingredient. So remember the first rule, you are marrying their daily habits, not just their love. And yes, of course, if the habits are good, you're going to have a very peaceful journey. But if the habits are bad ones, it is going to give you daily stress. And we all know the fact, no one is perfect. So accept this fact from the very beginning that your partner is going to have both good as well as some bad habits. Number two, for bonding and connect to happen between the couple, communication is the key. If communication is not there or disagreements are there, conflicts are bound to happen. Now, many couples think that by having sex, things will resolve between them, which is not true. So, the second rule is sex won't solve emotional distance. Talk first, touch later. Number three, couples know each other's quite a lot of secrets and other private things. And sometimes when fight happens, some of them end up bringing old issues in the current fight. Do not hit below the belt. When you fight, fight fair. Because this is the third rule. Words said in anger leave scars. So think before you speak. Number four. Many a time we do a lot of overthinking and we are distressed over things like why she or he doesn't agree to me? Why can't you look at a thing from my perspective? You are just not ready to understand me. So please listen to this one. Each person is different and unique. Hence, each one will always have their own perspective. Expecting them to understand you and agree with 100% is just practically not possible. This kind of expectation is only going to bring you disappointment and distress. So, rule number four, winning an argument can still damage the relationship. Kindness matters more than being right. You're not into fight because you have to always win. You have kept your point and that's enough. You cannot expect the person to nod their head and agree with you always. Number five, as years keep getting added to one's marriage, we start taking each other for granted. We stop appreciating, we stop admiring, we stop going on dates. So rule number five, keep dating your partner even after marriage. Cause efforts keeps love alive. 6. Sometimes our partner comes to us and starts complaining, whining and cribbing over whatever XYZ matters. And sometimes it does happen that you are tired, you don't feel like listening to them. But if you start doing that every single time, if you start shutting them down, they definitely will stop complaining, of course, but only in front of you. Don't feel bad that your partner is complaining or don't feel offensive about it. If they are saying something, think what is causing this in them. So rule number 6, if your partner feels unheard, they will stop sharing, and when they stop, the bond breaks. Number 7, just getting attracted or doing some nice cozy stuff is not always love. Being romantic, doing nice things can be very attractive. But the most important key in a marriage besides love is respect. So rule number 7, respect is more important than attraction. Without respect, love won't last. Nowadays, most of the couples are earning. Sometimes one is earning more than the other because the other is busy looking after kids and home maybe, or sometimes both are earning limited and so on. So rule number 8 is very important one. Money fights end more marriages than affairs. So be honest and plan together. Number 9, the worst of all things. You see on Instagram and say, oh my god, my friend and her husband are on a holiday, and you look at their pictures and you feel like her husband is so romantic. I wish mine could be the same. He is doing all this for her. Or your friend comes and tells you how her husband planned a surprise date for both of them, which he keeps doing from time to time. Now here, more than getting happy for your friend, you become sad. So rule number 9, don't compare your marriage to others online. You are just seeing highlights, not reality. Number 10, as our family grows, we move from being 2 to 3 or 4 or maybe more. I understand that now your kids too have become a very important part of your life. So rule number 10, don't let kids replace your relationship. Make time for each other. That is all for today's session. I hope you liked my video. For more couple and relationship issues, write your comments in the comment section below.